Choosing what to eat by the look of the food is quite common these days. In fact, many people value Insta-friendliness over taste. And that is one reason why this carrot and beetroot tortilla will fit your offer like a pair of gloves. These crazy coloured tortillas are naturally eye-catching and curiosity-sparking. The high veggie content makes them a tasty and healthy option that people are willing to pay for. And just like their less colourful tortilla cousins, they are super soft and versatile. With this incredible piece of bread, you can make anything from sushi bites to irresistible desserts. But now, I'm going to show you a totally edible poke bowl, which means that even the actual bowl can be eaten. Set the oven for 100 degrees. Grease the inside of an oven-proof bowl. Fold the tortilla into it. And then bake until crispy. Remove the tortilla bowl from the oven and let it cool down before you start loading it. As a base, I'm using sushi rice, red cabbage, lettuce and avocado. Then some salmon with a soy, garlic and ginger dressing. Some mango, edamame beans, and then some sriracha mayo, and finishing it off with wasabi sesame seasoning. But anything goes here. You might as well make a breakfast bowl by adding yogurt, fruit and nuts. Either way, you'll be surprised at how well it holds up. There you go, a totally edible poke bowl that will draw attention to your place.